This property is presented by Jessica Magaha with First City Property Group. Powered by Platinum Realty. Please call 913-748-6213 with any questions. To schedule a tour. Or for more information about getting your home on the market and sold. Modern amenities wrapped in a charming historic package. This newly renovated 3-bedroom/2-bathroom home will not disappoint. New flooring throughout, fresh interior paint, new kitchen boasts granite countertops, main level bedroom and laundry, new carpet in upper level bedrooms, new air conditioner and new everything in both bathrooms. Charming front porch to enjoy your morning coffee and private backyard for those family BBQs. Truly a must-see.